In the grading optimization interface, you can further edit the grading objects, make grading objects active or inactive, set the optimization options, initialize the optimization. While your grading is being optimized, you can view the grading results in real time. To open grading optimization, select Optimize from the grading optimization panel. If you have more than one source or surface in your drawing, you will need to select a comparison surface for your grading optimization project. In grading optimization, you can navigate your grading model to change the view perspective. Use your left, middle, and right mouse button to swivel zoom and pan the view. In the grading object browser, you can identify and manage grading objects that were defined in the Civil 3D drawing. Using the respective properties, you can edit slope constraints, change grading constraints, make the grading object inactive, and turn off its display. Any changes that you make to grading properties in the grading optimization will be updated in the Civil 3D drawing. To view and or change the global constraints and grading objectives for your project, open the optimization options. In the optimization options, you can change the global slope constraints, which is for this project impact only the grading limits. All of the other gradings are use custom constraints. Grading optimization performs numerous iterations of your grading project to find the best possible solution. Large number of iterations will produce better results but take more time to process and complete. Out of the box, this is value is set to 100,000, but you can lower this for intermediate optimizations. As you work toward the final optimization results, you can increase the iterations. The objective weights is what the grading optimization will target for your design. Each of these objectives has its weight setting and moving the slider to the right makes it more important for your drawing. You can aim the balance to cut fill earthwork, minimize the earthwork in both the amount of cut and the amount of fill, and smooth the surface. These weights will be used in the hone in the most optimal grading result, but will also require more processing time and capacity. When you are set with your grading objectives, you can start the optimization. As the optimization is running, you can view the elevation and or surface triangles as grading model transforms. The progress bar at the bottom will let you know where the model is in its iteration timeline. The visualization toolbar is helpful and informative way for you to view the grading model. In the results tool, you can view the violations. The legend in the optimization panel will help you interpret the violations, as will the cursor tooltips. Move your cursor over the site to identify violation at specific locations. To return back to the standard elevation view, turn off the results. In the topology tools, you can change between contour and triangle display. This can be helpful to see how triangles are being formed and manipulated and generate the contours. When viewing grading models on flat site, you might find it helpful to change the vertical exaggeration for your display. Raise the in-canvas slider on the left to increase the vertical exaggeration and move it down to lower it. When the view is exaggerated, you can see much sharper contrasts in the elevation and slopes. As the optimization continues to work, you can view the convergence plot to see how the overall solution is progressing. The feasibility graph is helpful to see the optimization results are being met. As the grading goes through more iterations, fewer changes will be needed, and line will thin out and trend towards zero. If the line levels out above zero, optimization may require more time, or the objective may not be possible. While your grading is being optimized, you can work on the other tasks outside of grading optimization. Otherwise, if you get to the point where you're not satisfied with the current state of optimization, you can stop it. After optimization is stopped, you can make further edits to your grading project. In the grading object browser, you can make grading objects inactive, which excludes them from the grading optimization. You can also turn off the grading object so it does not display in the model view. If you have overlapping or layered zone, you can change the zone priority. Dragging a zone or grading limit above another zone or grading limit in the list will give it priority over those below it. The slope constraint for zones can be changed in grading optimization if an edit is needed. If you edit the respective properties, then reset the optimization. Resetting the optimization will return the grading model back to its existing conditions. Click Optimize to perform another grading optimization. After performing intermediate grading optimization, you can return back to your Civil 3D drawing to add more grading object to your project. Click minimize to return back to the Civil 3D while the optimization finishes, or click the X to stop and close the grading optimization.